I'm Erika Morris. Let's fact check another claim made about the housing crisis. Claim number 6 is just too expensive for governments to solve the problem. Fact. Experts say that kind of thinking is short-sighted and doesn't consider the ripple effects when there isn't enough social housing.
Just delivering emergency services to someone is very costly. If someone's incarcerated, very costly. If they're in the hospital, even more costly.
All those are paid through taxes.
Eventually, those who complain about high taxes will have to pay more to healthcare system, policing, and so on.
When you take all those factors into account and add up all the costs that fall on taxpayers anyway, government housing can prove more cost-effective and offer people more dignity. Not to mention, research shows that when there's a lack of social housing, there's more competition for the few affordable units out there, and that creates pressure on the whole housing market. It's like the trickle-down effect in reverse.
The simplest way to solve this, really, is for the government to say it's not realistic for people who are under a certain income level to look for housing on the private rental market. We'll make sure there's enough of it out there.
The federal government used to ease the lack of affordable units with social housing, and that's the case for many countries, but Canada's been disinvesting for decades. And provinces aren't always keen on filling that gap. Quebec axed its social housing fund 2 years ago. It created a new fund that lumps together market and social housing. Now, why is that a problem? Check out this fact check. Experts say it'll take billions of dollars over the next few decades for Quebec to catch up with demand. But the ripple of solving a housing problem could solve other big social expenditures.